Welcome back to the shed! Welcome back to Friday's video, more importantly. This is the last video, hopefully, before we get the car in for its MOT, because it's due in at the weekend. I picked up my wheels today. I've had the tyres taken off and had them resealed back on the rims, because obviously 3 of them was going flat. So I've got them to put back on. We've got the headlight over there to secure because it's loose, and I believe there's a bulb out in this headlight, so we need to sort that out, ready for its MOT. Obviously we need to get the wheels back on. I'm going to test fit the side skirts while it's up in the air, but I can't fit them properly because I need to paint them, and I can't paint them because the weather is shocking at the moment, and it's already 3:30 on Thursday. And obviously this video should be up for you guys tomorrow, so it ain't going to get painted. But once I've test fitted it and I've drilled the screw holes and stuff like that, then I can obviously paint it and then fit it after. So we need to get the front bumper back on as well. So wheels on, bumper on, headlights adjusted and the bulbs fixed in that one. Give it a bit of a tidy out, get rid of the tools and that's on the inside. And I've also got a new battery for it, so you guys will be happy that I finally got a new battery. So we're going to fit a new battery in this video as well. And then off camera I'm going to get rid of all the tape and the glue and stuff at some point, but when I wash it next I'll get rid of that. So we need to crack on with this video. So I need to open up the garage. Let's get the wheels out. Well, I'll get the wheels in place and then I'll get the side skirts first. I'm going to mark up the side skirts and make sure they're going to fit. I'm going to drill the back bumper and make sure that I can get my new skirt. Does it replace that? I don't even know. I need to test fit that. Either way, we've got lots of things to do, guys. Let's crack on. Let's get some tools and some gloves, and I've got like an hour and a half before it's dark, so let's crack on. You can see we've got the wheels back, so we need to get them done. Another thing I've noticed, I need to secure the mesh on the inside of the front bumper, and the side skirts are in there. So I'm going to chuck on a pair of gloves and start moving some bits out the garage so we can start moving around. So trying to test fit these skirts on my own is tricky. To be fair, I could do some like axle stands or something to rely on, but if I come on, tuck that on there. Again, it's really awkward with one hand. I have had it so it's sat on nice and neat. Hang on, this is really hard, hold on. So you can see it fits on there, kind of. It would screw on, but I'm using one hand to balance it at the moment. But I've been told to test fit them and they are going to fit nice and neat. So, quite happy with them. I don't know if it's supposed to go up to the bottom of the door or bottom of where the underseal mark is, so hopefully someone will be able to tell me. But I'm quite happy with that, so I can fit that at a later date, no problem at all. Now time to test fit this back one. But I'll be quite honest with this rear one. I can't really see how it's much different than the one I've actually already got on. Is it a little bit deeper maybe? If it is, there ain't much in it. But apparently that's going to fit nice and easy as well. Cool, so that is all I need to involve test fitting the kit. So now I just need to get front bumper on, lights done, wheels done, get it on the floor and get ready for its MOT. I thought while I was test fitting things I'd test fit the spoiler as well, but obviously it doesn't want to sit on very well without me holding it. So I can push it on a bit more than it would normally go on. To there-ish. Which isn't right, but you know, you're getting a bit of how it looks. Doesn't really add much if I'm honest. But again, you can tell it's sat up, you know, it's not right. Obviously you'd hold it down with some weight while it was gluing, so it'd be sat like that. Yeah, it's alright. Get this painted now. In case you're wondering how I'm going to glue it, what glue am I going to use? Well, apparently I can't open this tube to show you all of them. By far, the best glue in the world is the one I'm about to drop. Here's Tiger Seal. Hands down, Tiger Seal is the best glue to use. I've used it for many years on many different body kits. It's just the best. It just is. So I'm looking at securing our front bumper. Obviously I want to put it back on the car. But obviously this mesh is snapped, because it would be in a replica. Snap there, there and there. Obviously it's going to rattle and look crap. So I'm going to get my drill a couple of holes in the plastic, then tie wrap it with black tie wraps or silver tie wraps, hopefully you won't notice it. So I'm going to quickly drill 3 holes and I'll come back to you in a second. So hopefully you can see now, it's tie wrapped around, tie wrap, another tie wrap, so that mesh now is solid. So that front bumper is good enough to go on the car now. I just did a little bit off camera work, so the headlights are now secure, because one of them wasn't. One had a knackered bulb, so I've actually changed the side lights for LEDs. I've removed the LED main lamps that I had, because I'm pretty sure they won't pass an MOT. So I've took them off, because I want it to pass its MOT. Oh yeah, I've got that little bolt thing, I'll stick that in the garage. I don't need the engine cover on for now. Got the new battery still to fit. I'm going to stick the front bumper on now. We've test fitted the skirt, so we know they're all going to fit. So bumper, wheels, yeah, bumper, wheels, battery, that's where we're at. Well, it's not ideal, but I've put the old number plate back on, as you can see. Don't really like where it is, because obviously it's covering the radiator essentially, but it's on there for now, just so I can get it past its MOT, and then we'll get some press plates and we'll stick them on the top. I put the grill on that I got from Kieran, that's why it's got a black badge. Still got the old battery. It's getting really dark now, like I've got my lights on in the garage, because it's that dark. So I'm going to quickly get the wheels whipped on, and then I'll continue this video tomorrow, which is Friday, which is the day I'm supposed to be uploading, which I still plan to, but I'll have to finish it tomorrow, put the new battery in that on. Get my wheels whipped on now, and call it a night. Well, it's a bit dark, so I imagine the camera's going to go a bit grainy, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we have our wheels on. The back wheels are on. I only noticed after doing the front wheel that the tyre person had put on front and rear, so we're all on. Hold on. It's very dark now. Yeah, it looks good. So tomorrow's job. Spin that around. Tomorrow's job. Don't know if I like that. It's like a ghost. Tomorrow's job will be put the battery on. Put some light back on me. There we go. Will be put the battery on. That's probably it. Battery on. Drop it to the floor. Clean out the interior, and then take it for its test. I'll see you very shortly. And we're back on Friday morning, which is today, the day you guys are watching this video. And what did I pick up last night? My new hoodie. Check it out. This is the Cars of the Channel hoodie. How awesome is that? If you guys are interested, they will be soon up for sale on the shop on bluudysgarage.com. Anyway, let's crack on with this video. Ah! So time to take this wrong side battery out, the one that we've been using.
Get to making this drive, boy. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed.
Can't really remember how this
Yes,
is.
you holler, yes.
1, 2, 3, do it!
Awesome. well, I'm happy with everything except for this bonnet catch, because it won't hold the bonnet shut. It don't lock in, so now I need to figure out what's wrong with that. But other than that, it's pretty good going. I've been at this bonnet far too long now, like 2 hours since I last did a bit of footage. I've just dropped it to the floor because I was getting fed up with that latch. I still can't fix the latch. I can't get the bonnet to stay locked. Yeah, don't really know what to do. I've had the latch out, I've had it all cleaned up, I've had it sprayed. It's like the bonnet just doesn't go far enough down. It just wouldn't. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm stuck with it. Absolutely stuck. I don't know what to do. I might get the garage to have a look at it because I've exhausted all my options. There's nothing wrong with the lock. Everything's working. Everything moves as it should do. So I've got no idea. I'm going to put my grill back on for now and tidy it up so we can take some decent pictures. I was wondering, I have just torqued up my wheels. You know, I never trust my impact gun. So always torque your wheels after. I know you probably hear it from a lot of YouTubers and that, guys, but I really do appreciate all the support, all the likes, and how well the channel's been doing recently since I've been able to have 2 new projects in a space of like 4 months. Really enjoying the support, the likes, the comments. You guys make it worthwhile. I just wanted to say thank you. I've met some fantastic new acquaintances and friends, especially this year. Especially the guys on the Forza Horizon 4 group. I'm just going to give a shout out to all you guys. You guys are like, yeah! You know, Terry, Warren, Shane, Tom. I'm still going to pronounce the name wrong. Cass. I'm just going to say Cass. It's easier to say Cass. All you guys on there. There's like 20 of you in total, you know. And Chris, of course. Chris is on there too. Thank you very much. I really appreciate all the support. Well, we've done everything we're going to do, or we're going to be able to do for the MOT. So, I'm going to drop it off at the garage, and we'll see how we get on. I've just got a message. How many times do people message me while I'm doing videos? It's ridiculous. Like, there's so many times. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. Right, so this is the end of this video. Near enough. If you like the new hoodie, leave a comment below. Let me know that you like the new hoodie, because these will be for sale very shortly, if anyone's interested. These are called the Cars of the Channel. Cars of the Channel, of course. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the past video. We'll see you, won't we? Ciao. And lastly, if you want to support me by subscribing to the channel, please press up here. And if you want to see another video, press down here.